Hi, welcome to a beautiful jungle. I'm Sharon. I'm in the house. It's hot outside, and I need to do some more seed starting because I was telling you guys before I was not feeling well, so a lot of my stuff perished. My seed starting perished. So I'm at my kitchen sink. I just boiled my water. These are the pea pot. These are the things I'm using to start the seed. It's so easy. It's so much easier to just do it this way. So I boiled my water, and this is, you just pour the water on there, boiling hot water. Always boiling hot water, because you know these things get shipped, and there are bugs and gnats and things like that are in them. So you need your boiling hot water when starting seeds. When you're starting your seeds, you want to give your seeds the best benefit and a healthy beginning. See, the water is just sucking the water up, and you just let it swell up. You might need some more. And please pour the boiling hot water in something that's not going to melt, because I mean it's boiling hot water. So we're going to let this just soak up. Yeah, let's put it flat. Let's put that flat, because I had it in the sink like that. So let's put it flat. And these, oh, let me tell you something. These are my K-cups from my Keurig. So I take a butter knife and I open it and I dump it out into a bowl, or even I have this as my indoor compost compost bin. The kids, it's a big container of cookies and cream, ice cream, and it has the lid on it, so we keep the little gnats in there. So let me just show you real quick. So I would open this up when I'm finished with this, let it cool. You can see me. Take my knife, my butter knife, swirl it around, get that out of, oh, my arms are blocking you. Get that out of there. And even this paper in here, pull it out, compost it. It's compostable. Okay, one more. And I'll try to make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Is my hand in the way? Yes, my hand is in the way. Because they're so little and my hands are big. My hands are big. I'm sorry. Okay? Just take it out. I'm making a mess. Well, it wouldn't be my kitchen if I didn't make a mess. The plastic is not, the plastic is recyclable, but it is not, it cannot compost it. And I just take my knife and swirl it around in there. Again. And the aluminum foil, the top part, it's not, you can't compost that. Put it in my little indoor compost bin. And you can reuse regular, like I reuse this, the kids' ice cream, the ice cream container that I bought for the kids, that I bought the kids from BJ's. You can reuse it. And once it's full, take it outside to your compost. I will show you guys my compost bin. I have two outside, two compost bins outside. And also, this year over the winter, I was digging holes in my garden and burying kitchen scrap compost. So I was composting in place in my garden. And my sweet potato bed has compost that was that I was making, that I had since last year. So I put that in my sweet potato bed. It wasn't that much, because honestly, you will not be able to make that much compost. All that material and all that stuff you put in your compost, it comes down to dirt, really. So it's not going to be a large amount. a large amount. I maybe on a larger scale and on a bigger property, I would be able to make all the compost I need for my needs. But right now, no. So it's nothing wrong with purchasing compost. So I say all that to say, a squash seed. I think it looks like a squash seed. It could be a squash seed in the sweet potato bed. So I need to transplant that, and I will show you guys that. So today we're staying in the house and we're starting our seed starting in the house.